Yeah. My friend got deal with something. I don't know where I deal with.
Watch your pumps.
Yes, you know that already. So I have to say it now. I love you.
It's not funny. Me, a man, a real man can tell a woman say I love a woman. You don't have to the man.
Look at Paris, you.
I'm to the audience. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I will back with another reaction for you guys. Now, if it's your first time over here, people, today is the day we're gonna hit 9,000 subscribers. And as I said before, we're on the road to 10k subscribers. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right now. That's the aim, that's the goal for this series is 10k. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post, and I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for that. No, yo, what are Vybz kartel, our girl to the people? You understand what I mean? Official music video people. People, are you ready for this video? Wait, wanna know no? Your reaction says a lot. Merch dropping at 10k subscribers. I remember if you know I'm dropping them right now. Put the link in the description if you don't want it, because it's ready. But just wait for 10k subscribers. And guys, I am premiering a new vlog today with me and my girlfriend on my couples channel. You can go check it out. Bad picture stuff. I'm going to see what I'm going for Vybz kartel, people. Run tune.
This is a journey into sound.
That's how our girl start. No, hold on. Oh, if you don't want to watch it, if you guys want to watch this video without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you guys are here for, the link to the original song is down below in the description. You can go check it out. Let's go.
Yo, dropped up.
Who is this dude?
London girl.
Wait, them girl are fat. Hold on. Tattoo on butt cheeks? No, man. What was this dude though?
Yo, dropped up.
Wow, baby, what kind of like yeah. Big up yourself, Trinidad. Trini gal. One more now. Big up yourself, Trinidad. Hold on there. That baby, oi. But I don't know. She's at our girl.
She love the dick.
Hey, she love the dick. Hey. Oh,
Skin it out, let me rub it on your clit.
Yeah. But this is not the song. Wait. Oh, here we go. Reaction boss gonna start laughing already. Remember when we react to something the song? Look on the brother here. Wait a minute.
Just come on.
I'm coming. Just give me a second.
I'm coming. Religion something I go on and say.
Hurry up. Come, let's go.
Don't worry, I'll think of something and then I'm coming. I promise, I'm coming.
Oh, I go.
What are you doing?
The man come back out and them go. You know when them I wish culture that them Arabian dressing something. Yeah. I remember when we react to my name, Savage Savo, Rich Badness, yes girl. And I feel that the man them there now. But so I go and do. Unchon.
What do you mean? I was on the phone to my boss. I was on the phone to my boss. She wants me to go into work. Now is that okay with you?
No, it's not okay,
I'm
baby.
not lying.
Oh God, she get the soul and already, people. Him girl a cheat on him. You understand? Remember no, and a your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I see my watch the girl already. Man, then your own. Oh, say I watch your poems already. Go on.
Yo, Derby, Bond Street. Every hot girl I feel call with.
Yeah.
Manchester, London, Bristol.
She a left her yard, you know. She gonna give you your poems now, you know. What you gonna do about it now, dog? Tell me what you gonna do about it now. People like this if you don't like the video yet. Remember, comment some fire emoji in the comment section. You see me? Run tune.
Yo, big man, where there? Alright, may I come?
Wipe and come argument. Little girl thief.
Soon come, promise you.
Little girl thief. Girl thief, I look for man. Somewhere that go on. If I'm already be in a film position, I same thing we're doing in a film position. Run tune.
Thank today, I promise you, I'm so reach back home. But
Yeah.
yeah. My friend go deal with something. I don't know where I deal with.
Watch your
Get to
pumps.
school now. Yes, you know that already. So I have to say it now. I love you.
It's not funny. Me, a man, a real man can tell a woman say I love a woman. You don't after the man.
Look at Paris, you.
I'm to the audience.
I'm a woman, I love my woman. I don't know about you.
Straight.
Where we are go? Let's drive.
Why the hold on, which part this? London, this the man them there with the thing. But hold on there. Why the other crack up so dog? Go on.
Boy, you feel man, you wanna. You fuck the girl, don't shut your food. Where you
Alright, okay. The reaction boss is gonna be in full effect now.
What call the man, me call a cab cheese.
Oi,
And a street, a hotel, forget the force like physics.
Yes.
Anyway, me there, you coulda
Them
jail
a
shit
take
up.
up the dragon, the Spitfire them. Yo, blood clot, hold on. People like the reaction right now. Alright. So I see this on our friend. Where you getting that man care a while ago? Alright, go on.
Busy. Waterford. Great Park.
Yeah.
Fuck a bag of girl, Gaza, no ramp with it. I know you.
Man, I watch it pumps. Brother, obviously are you with the white dress, you know, brother? It's that obvious, you know? Are you that right there, so? The crate and guy they be get. Go on, yeah, man.
Girl, she a over girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal. I know you heard. Girl, she a over girl. Stop watch the.
Walla. Reaction boss, them call me for the never know. No, watch us style now. Yeah, baby. Whoa! Yeah. Oh my God! Stop watching y'all like criminal. Oh, please. Who wants to be a peachy mostly for the girls I'm writing on the comment section? Run tune!
Watch the girl like criminal. I know you heard girl. She a over girl. Stop watch the.
Yeah, baby. Guana. Yes. They're not ready for this. Want to see ladies with slow motion? Want to see ladies a slow motion? Yeah. Want to see ladies this trap ready? Like the video. Be a fire emoji. Be a fire emoji. Be a fire emoji in the comment section. Running for the tune now, man. Get them outside. Run back in a normal speed now, people. Run back in a normal speed, people. Like the video. And go check out that video if you want to check it out. The Clash 69 video and see the premiere, people. First to finish back on us being that video. In a live yet. Go meds it. Reaction boss at work, people. Me a walk. Watch that. Me a walk. You green that video them, but yo me a walk. Run tune.
Girl like criminal. In a Mercedes.
Put the phone upside down and look panda something. Look panda something. Bumbo clad, girl. Yes. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yes, girl. Go back in that tune now.
Help on my baby mother face and Nisha.
Yeah.
When she see me, she a ball out teacher. World pass.
We need the slow motion now. We can't rap with the slow motion today. I would need it. We need the slow motion today. God. Yes. Who is? Battle of wine. Who is? No. Ballad old man to the thing. No. No ballad old man to the thing. Run, show.
Take my feature, I know your girl. She a over girl. Stop what?
Baby. I was gonna go back, guys, but I forgot that this video has hella baddies in it, and I'm not gonna go back. Whoa, now breast there big and that tongue there long, no blood clot. Go on with the tune, boy.
Watch the girl like criminal. I know your
When
girl.
them
She a
they could
over.
get some young blood. Them could have called me the reaction boss. Eh? Them could have called back, what brother name again? Roy So Easy. They could have called Razor Blade TV. Call the one of the bloggers them. What?
One girl stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your girl. She a over.
Oh, your blood clot, yeah. She don't look good, but the touring just makes she say, where she go on? My opinion. Can't argue about that in the chat. Go on with the tune.
Girl stop watch the girl like criminal. I know your girl. She a over. Girl stop watch the girl.
Kill him dead. Kill your dad. And your belly alone and move. You hears me? I'm right. I want to talk about them mouth. I should want to talk about them mouth. Watch them. Big up Trinidad again. No man, I forgot about a bad Trinidad reaction to them, man. Right on.
Girl like criminal.
That's
Watch
pretty
the
awkward.
satellite. Watch it nail groupie.
That split is so awkward. The split. She love the dick. She love the dick. One man, them take over London there.
Stop watch it boom boom. Watch a movie. Your girl a give your bun. You don't know what.
See that a while ago. No, well, wanna see that a while ago, dog. Wanna see what them girl they are going with. Watch your style, dog. Watch it.
This when you find out you are. She give your dream to remember. Oh, it is double shot red rum.
Wanna see what them girl they are going with, dog. Them girl are not easy, you know. Them girl are bad, no blood clot, you know. Watch your style, watch it.
Reverse.
Yeah.
She got the fortress. You got the.
Them girl are not ramp. Blood cleat. Reaction boss at work. Go on, people. Like the video, like the video. Like the video so the video can get ranked to more people. More people can get to see the reaction boss. Remember, today is the day we hit 9K subscribers. By next week, we'll get 10,000. Run tune.
Coolness, remember feel look bad girl at your own risk. I know your girl, she a our girl.
People, big up to Drop Top Records to produce a video. Big up to Drop Top Records for the song. Big up to Drop Top. Big up to the record label, dog. Because them get outside. More so I go on for my boy, I don't know. You start the girl, you know. You see it there?
Her girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal.
So a party, she really pull up. She pull up and left us and go now and party. You understand?
You are telling me say you take me out of my yard whole day.
Yeah.
I drive up and down like a madman.
Yeah.
To help you watch your woman.
Oh, Buckley. Yeah, the man love him woman. The man tell him woman say love woman. That's how I look, right? John was star.
May God go with you.
Rascal. God go with you, dog. For real.
Really?
I know your girl, she a our girl. Stop watch the girl like criminal.
That's a man like what a blood cleat. Now you watch for your spy.
You know, see our girl.
Bruh.
Our girl. All right, can you?
Bruh. This is me, the boy Ty, guys. And remember, go and subscribe to my couples channel, Moni and Ty. We're going to post a video today at 2 o'clock. It's going to premiere. So join the premiere and we can check in the comment section. You understand me? Subscribe to the channel. There's 1,000 subscribers over there. And over here, so we don't know. Chop already. Take care. I'm out.